TraderTalentPro is the free trading software issued by TraderTalent for free trials, paid tryouts, and live trading. The first resource to be aware of is the TraderTalentPro specific FAQ section, accessible to everyone through TraderTalent.com. You'll find a link to it from within the general FAQ section. Within it, you'll find answers to the most common questions from available versions, languages, order entry queries, and specific requests, such as whether market profile charts exist. Many answers include images to assist in identifying where in the platform certain items can be found. So definitely check out the TraderTalentPro FAQs on the website. And as seen in the registration tutorial video, you can access TraderTalentPro after logging into TraderTalent.com from the account section. If you have a free trial active, you'll be able to find a link to TraderTalentPro in the scrolling banner, else you can just click the Start Trading button. For the free trial and tryouts, always select the simulation button when logging in. Market replay is only available in the paid tryouts, where you can trade any time period in the past 5 days and replay your trades. So log in using the same credentials as the website. If it's your first login, you'll be presented with a data declaration form as shown in the registration tutorial video. And you'll now see the default workspace showing 2 charts and 2 ladders, also known as depth of market or DOM. And the DOM ladder shows the number of contracts being offered for sale at each price in red, the ask column, and in green the number of futures contracts in the bid column waiting to purchase at each price, while the middle column shows the price in tick increments. The total number of contracts bid and asked displayed are shown at the base of each column. The quantity box at the top shows how many contracts you will enter an order for, and there is a candle chart of the same product on the right. The second ladder here is the September 2021 Euro-USD currency futures contract 6EU1, whereas the other is the S&P 500 E-mini September equity index future. The chart has different time increment tabs where each candle represents 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, and daily time frames respectively. At the top you can see which account you're trading, in this case the free trial, and the amount of equity available, 8k currently, the same as you start with in a venture tryout. And the initial margin requirement for any positions you place. See the FAQ for an in-depth explanation of that. So to place an order to queue to buy at a price away from market, you left click on the green column at the desired price to join the queue. You'll see a confirmation you'll likely wish to turn off. And your order then shows to the left of the bid column. In a live market, your order would be sent to the exchange and increase the queue number by 1 additional contract, but this increase does not show on this simulator. You can now see the history of orders we have placed here. Joining the ask queue at certain prices is much the same process, but clicking on the red cells. And you can delete your order in the queue by clicking on the right of the order cell where the cross is. The order history is unchanged, but if you want to filter to see any orders that are still working in the book, type W. So that when the orders are removed from the book, they now also get removed from the Working Orders filtered tab. You could type working in full if you prefer, it has the same effect. And similarly, F filters for filled orders. So let's try and get filled on a working order. They sold into my bid, so I now have bought one at 117.85.5, or in the lingo I am long one contract. The green triangle shows in the ladder and the filled filter shows I'm filled 1. I will now work the offer for 1 tick by joining the sell queue at the price above. My working offer is marked on the chart, which you can turn off in the chart settings if you prefer. And the initial margin slider shows I'm using 3% of my equity as a deposit for this open position, which I can click into for more detail. I've just been filled on my ask, so that closed the position and the margin has gone back to 0. And I was filled to sell 1 contract at 117.86. The Positions tab also shows me open positions and any profit or loss summary. In this case, the full tick value profit of a 1 lot being $6.25 before the cost of the trade. So I bought 1 and sold 1, so I am now flat with no position. You can edit up the columns and arrange the order they are in for all these tabs by clicking the Settings cog. To add one, drag it from the left over to the right and click Save. So I hope that helps. Check out our other upcoming tutorials and the FAQs for more details.